What's up, everybody? This weekend, I'm just putting a lot of time in. I'm trying to get things going as quick as I can. And normally I train a lot on the weekends, but I'm going to start taking Sundays off for recovery. My body's just been getting banged up, training 7 days a week. So it's time to take some time off. And even though I'm not training, I'm still working. Go figure. But today, I'm going to be painting the wheel wells. So now I'm just gonna take this wire brush and get all the dust off that I can, scuff it up a little bit, hit it with a light grit of sandpaper, and then clean it with the paint prep cleaner, and then tape it off and paint it. We got 4 to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Man, that came out real good. The line that I taped off came out perfect. Man, I'm really happy with that. 1 down, 3 to go. All right, that actually took a little bit longer than I expected. There's a lot of taping, a little bit of drying time in between, but check it out. I'm very satisfied with that. Man, it looks brand new. All of them came out good. I was going to remove the plastic cover that covers like the gas fill-up line that goes to the tank, but the bottom of it was already undercoated from the factory, and the screws are like plastic anchor kind of screws, and I didn't want to take a chance of messing them up and it not being able to go back on. It doesn't look bad. I'm happy with it. Another thing that I did was I covered all of the holes with tape before I painted. That way none of the threads got messed up. Also covered the brake lines. Didn't want those to be undercoated. Now on this side, because the exhaust runs through here, that wasn't undercoated previously, so I went ahead and went with what Honda did and just did not undercoat anywhere past that. And you know, hopefully this stuff doesn't melt. I don't know how heat resistant it is, but I'm very happy with this. Kind of proud of myself. Didn't really make any mistakes. Hell yeah. Well, I hope you guys like it. Guys, you guys can do this to your own cars. I am nothing special. Again, just follow instructions, watch other people do stuff. What's up, guys? I'm about to pressure wash the heat shields from the exhaust channel and the rear brake dust shields. Clarence came back out for a show. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff clean, and then I'm gonna spray paint it with high temp enamel ceramic paint. Even though nobody's gonna see it, I'll know that it's painted. So let's get to it. Here's the exhaust shields. They came out perfect. The paint that I used is supposed to be tolerant up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit, so we shouldn't have any melting or discoloration or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the first two. I have to hold off on that one because I need to reinstall the rear trailing arms and the parking brake cables because you have to remove that when you take them out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these two on right now. The fresh painted exhaust shields are now back installed. Everything's clean underneath it. The part that I did in time lapse was I actually took some degreaser and a wire brush and cleaned up these bolts by hand because they were covered in soot. But I didn't want to waste your time or bore you guys with that. But yeah, there's the first two. The third one, like I said, that'll get reinstalled when I'm installing the parking brake cables and the rear trailing arms. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. See you guys soon.